Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another vlog. And today is going to be a really hard challenge. We have CJ and we have Brooks. Brooks isn't doing it. My brother might do it too, but we are going to be doing the baking soda and vinegar challenge. You put baking soda, a spoonful of baking soda in your mouth, then you just take the vinegar and you put it in your mouth, and it's supposed to explode. Like, I've seen people do it. So yeah, we'll check in when we get to the dollar store and we're gonna buy it. Okay guys, we just got the, whoa, I almost fell. The vinegar, and there was no tax. I'm very thankful for that, because then I didn't have to spend any extra 7 cents. So guys, if you haven't seen, if you put baking soda and vinegar together, they explode. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this empty bottle. I'm gonna show you what happens when you just put those two together.
And no, put the cap on too. Put the cap on.
I'll find one. Okay guys, we're just pouring it in. Get the camera more straight, Brooks. Now we have to take all this grass and
move it.
Where's the cap for this? So this isn't, I don't know, this is gonna be, what I saw the person do, and you just open your mouth, you don't even taste, you just go. Naughty juice.
Naughty juice. Naughty juice.
You need to put this in there. We need to compact it. We need to put a lot of it.
Yeah. Cindy, can you hold this?
So if I put a lot of it, it's not going to touch. Now I need a spoonful of the...
Here, sit. I'll hold that. I'll hold that. Look at that. And the vinegar's on the
Here.
bottom.
Hopefully, I'm just going to take a little test, make sure this doesn't go through. Where's the cap for it? Get the cap ready.
Where's the cap? Where's the cap? Cap.
Hopefully this doesn't go through the grass, because if it does, it's not going to be good. Oh, crud, cap.
You should. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
And you look. I need to put more in there.
Yeah, more baking soda?
And more vinegar.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, my God.
I got that on camera. That's good. That was scary.
Oh, my God, I just opened the...
Boom.
Where's the other bottle?
Oh, right there.
We have another bottle, don't we?
Right there.
We're going to do it again.
But this time with no grass.
Yeah, this time no grass. More of both. And we're just going to leave it and let it explode.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, we'll roll the clip in a second. 1 second. Press. No. Press. Yeah. I got to put a spoonful of baking soda in my mouth.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, God.
You're doing this, right?
Yeah, I
Okay.
will. I'm not.
Oh, where's get the water ready?
Oh, my God.
Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? Point the camera at me. Ready?
There he goes.
Stop. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it. It like expands your mouth. Like,
Does it taste really bad? Not at all? Oh, jeez. Can you go give me a bottle of water?
Yeah, it's right here.
No, I'm not using Okay. I'm not doing this.
He really doesn't want to drink out of this, so I'm just going to put a little bit in the cup for you.
Yeah, that's enough.
Gotta get it in your mouth. That's not going to work. Now you got to close your mouth right after you put it in your mouth. See, it's not that bad.
It's sour.
I know. Where's the water? This is water, I think. Yes, it is. I'm doing it again. We'll check in when it's my turn again.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going.
I did it the longest.
Wait, I have no water.
Give me some too. There he goes inside. Now look at CJ. Ugh, that tasted horrible. That shouldn't taste bad. It was just today. Should I turn it off? No. Tell me if I turn it off. Should I turn it off?
Hey guys, here we go. Putting the baking soda in my mouth right now.
Let's get over here. Hey.
You barely put any. I put the whole spoonful in my mouth.
I know. Put a lot.
I'm not doing it again.
Is it worse the second time?
Uh-huh.
Oh, it is?
It's worse.
I'm gonna turn it off.
That is terrible.
Should I turn it off now? I ended it. Okay, should I end mine? Yep.
Oh my gosh, open your mouth. Look at all that. Okay, here we go, here we go. Wait down. I need to put it in a... No.
Oh my god.
Okay, here. Don't spit on the camera. How does it taste?
Okay. Give me water.
It's up there.
And I said summer fun.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Do it again? Are you gonna do it again? How was that one? Was it worse?
It was him. Now 2 spoonfuls.
Nuh-uh.
No, 3. And 2 drinks. No, 3.
How about we both put the baking soda in our mouth? We both have cups of vinegar, and whoever keeps it in the most wins.
Oh, right here it hurts.
Whoever keeps it in the longest wins.
Deal.
Okay, next round.
You.
Okay, you gotta get ready. This much. Ready?
Yep. And we both pour the vinegar in at the same time.
Which is why I don't want to keep this in my mouth longer than I have to.
Exactly.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, ew. Oh, ew. That is disgusting. Oh, ew. I think CJ won that one.
You think? I put my vinegar in before you though.
Like a second before, but yours started coming out, then his came out like a second after, but then yours, you spit like all of yours out and he kept his in.
That was disgusting. I
Who-
shoved the vinegar.
Okay, so how much rounds are there? Is this the
That's
last?
the last one. I'm done.
Okay, so who won? How much did you win? 3 or 2?
No, we didn't. This is the first time we didn't. This is the competition. Are you done with your water? Let me see it. Let me see your water. Once you're done.
Yeah.
I landed it. Okay, guys, we'll check in after our mouths are done.
We got Dylan, Matthew, Taylor, Alicia, and myself, Little Fox at your service. So sit back, grab some popcorn, and
Don't want to get copyright, but that's like my favorite song. I just got my new case, guys. As you guys saw from X Games Day 3. Well, Day 2 I won it, and then I got it Day 3. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Sorry I haven't posted in 2 days. I just wanted to take a little break because I've had a lot going on lately, so I just took a little break. But yes, I will have daily videos coming out still, so come on guys, 5 more subscribers and I'm at 100, we can get a special video out, so we'll see you guys in the next video.